Hey, I just want to go over a trade real quick. KWM, as you can see here, it had news at 8:22 a.m. Well, it popped up on the RVOL scanner. It popped up right here. So what I did was, once we got up here, once it came up on the scanner, I took a look at it. We had a inside bar right here. So what I did was I just go ahead and scalp that 95, ran up here, and then I just scalped it. You had to be careful with this because the spread was really high, and I just waited until the spread came down low. Then I went on and got in. Then I got in again right here because the volume right there was low. So then we had a bullish engulfing right here. So the break of this one, so the break of this candle got in and it came up. It ran up to $1. I didn't get $1, but then it started dumping back down. So I just went on ahead and got out. What was it? KWM. Let's see. Yeah, I made 30 cents on it. So it is what it is. 30 cents is good. I wish I would have gotten that pop. I just wasn't quick enough because it popped and then it broke the high. Then it came up and made $1, and then it dumped down really quick, and I just didn't get out until I got 30 cents. But that's just another trade. It came up on the scanner. There's news. K-Wave Media secures $1 billion capital capacity to drive Bitcoin Treasury strategy. Announces $5 million convertible note with Anson funds. So yeah, the key word I think is Bitcoin. So that is a keyword that I'm searching for the news. So don't overstay your welcome when you get stuff like this. I'm going to be releasing the RVOL movers here pretty soon. When you get the move, do not overstay your welcome. Get that pop. Once you're in profit, you can sell half, and then if it comes back down to your break even, get out. You can always get back in like I did here. It had an inside bar. We popped. We started coming back. I got out. We had a bullish engulfing. It broke the high. It popped. It started coming back down, and I got out. Don't overstay your welcome because if you do, you're going to lose. As you can see right here, it's starting to dump. Download the free beta version. As you can see here, MLGO is popping. MLGO. Yeah, I probably wouldn't get in that. That's not much. KWM was a much better play. It was nice and solid. Hey, I just wanted to go over something real quick. Not all stocks are good, even if they have news. Well, as you can see, the news kind of went off, but Xena, it popped up and it's just, yeah. So Xena popped up on the news, had like prototype of quantum computing or whatever. It popped up on the scanner because it was right here, this candle. It popped, so it came up on RVOL movers because it was high percentage volume. The relative volume was high, and the change percentage is okay. But the reason I did not get into this play is just because on the 15-second chart, when you're looking at this, yeah, it looks okay, but I need pretty good volume. This is not a lot of volume, okay? Plus, I would not get in. I mean, you could have gotten in on the break of this and gotten out, probably got yourself 5-10 cents. But I just don't like this because of the topping tails. If you look at this, it popped up, sold off, popped up, sold off, popped up, sold off. So even though it's still moving up, I just wouldn't touch it. For one, it doesn't have enough volume. Second of all, the topping tail's right here. I just don't like that. I need volume coming in on the 15-second chart. Let's look at MIGI real quick. MIGI, yeah, I just wouldn't touch it just because, I mean, look at it. It's 20,000 volume. Not much volume. As you can see here, 20,694. There's just not enough volume. Yeah, the relative volume is 7.25, but I just wouldn't touch it. It's a 54 cent stock. I just wouldn't touch it right now. Would I trade a 50 cent stock? Sure. If there was high volume in there, let's look at some good high volume. Let's look at SAFX. That was a really good trade. That has been my best trade so far today. As you can see here, we kind of ran up and we sold off. Yeah, it's below the VWAP, but I mean, you could have played a double bar break the high of that hammer right there, break the high of that, kind of get in, put your stop down here. So if you get in on the break of that candle, let's say right here, put your stop down here. Let's say that's a 20 cent stop. And you came up here, you got yourself 20 cents, came up here, and then try to ride it up here, get yourself 45 cents. That's the kind of plays you want. And also, as it's pulling back, the volume is kind of drying up. But this is what you want to see. Let me go over here to where I actually played it. Okay, right here, this right here, so it popped up on the scanner about 7:45. Yeah, so around here, when it pulled back to here, as you can see here, there's volume, 43,000. There's volume there, 71,000. So you want to get in. This is what you want to do on these fast-moving stocks. You want to go down to a 15-second, 10, 15, 20-second chart, and then look for slight pullbacks, the break of the high, and then you can get in, get yourself like 10, 15 cents. Okay, so you get in here, you get out here. So you get in here on the break of that bar, and then as it broke the low of this bar, you get out, you get yourself about 15 cents. Okay, so then as you can see here, the volume kind of dried up. Again, we pulled up. I think that's a shooting star. We kind of pulled down. We held the VWAP. As you can see here, the volume on the selling is not that much. Get the break of this bar. Come in here, sell, get yourself 10 cents. I know 10 cents don't sound like a lot, but let's see, Holo's got news, 24,000 volume. Yeah, not much volume. 3,000 volume, please. I wouldn't touch that. But that's what you want to play with. Like SAFX, that was my top play today. But that's what you want. I know 10 cents don't sound like a lot, but when you're trading, like, let's say SAFX is $3 stock. $3 stock. I mean, 1,000 shares, that's $3,000. 10 cents is $100. Maybe you do 10 cents in a matter of like 10, 15 minutes on a 30-second chart. That right there will add up to like a couple $100. So, and you can easily start building your account that way. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, and download the scanner. It's in beta and it's free.